Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best comfortable bidet toilet seats. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Brondell Swash SC600 bidet seat. With the Brondell Swash SC600 bidet seat, you could convert your old lavatory to an elegant porcelain throne without digging deeper into your pockets. Coming at a finance's pleasant rate, this toilet is a great desire for most homes. Don't permit the low charge idiot you. This bidet seat is complete of functions that you'll most effective find in better end fashions. Enjoy a custom-designed wash, enjoy heat air dryer, a heated seat and much extra at a hint of a button on the intuitive wireless far-away manipulate. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Kohler K5720 Puretide manual bidet seat. Looking for a manner to improve your bathroom or including a touch of sophistication without having to rework it? Well, the Kohler K5720 Puretide is a perfect preference, coming in a sleek, low-profile layout. This version gives you with tough-to-wager consolation as well as advanced cleansing spray wand which are fully adjustable. What makes it stand out is that unlike the flamboyant models, this unit clearly doesn't make use of power. Instead, that is a guide bidet seat that is ergonomically designed to deliver you comfort and a swish appearance in your lavatory. At number 3, we have the BioBidet Bliss BB2000 toilet seat. Beauty, ingenuity, and convenience get these kinds of attributes from the BioBidet Bliss BB2000 bidet restroom seat. With this seat, you'll revel in the difference between the beyond limitations and technological freedom of a pinnacle and elegance bidet bathroom seat that deliver you unprecedented cleanliness. Boasting of the specific nozzle cleaning era coupled with the outstanding water heating generation, this unit proves to be effective to cater to your desires. At number 2, we have the SmartBidet SB1000 bidet for elongated toilets. For maximum of use, our washrooms are haven specifically after a long day at paintings. This is the first-rate vicinity wherein we are able to have our own self-time after juggling with aggravating paintings schedules and circle of relatives. For this cause, making it unique is paramount. With the SmartBidet SB1000, you don't need to rework your bathroom. By really installing a seat, you may convert your antique bathroom into a little heaven wherein you may unwind. Boasting of revolutionary capabilities, this unit brings you all the consolation you need. And finally, at number 1, we have the GenieBidet seat with self-cleaning nozzles. The GenieBidet seat is one of the few models that integrate clean installation, consolation, hygiene, and convenience. This unit comes with a clean-to-use and environmentally pleasant design that any homeowners will respect. It comes with superb features that raise the consumer experience. These consist of matters which include heat air dryer, posterior wash, oscillating wash, female wash, hygienic clear out, as well as an adjustable water pressure. While there are numerous models available on the market, this is one of the excellent models that combine a multifunction managed panel and elegant design. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this comfortable bidet toilet seats, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.